Ladies, don't walk through the world looking for evidence to confirm your fears. You'll always find it. If you believe everyone leaves, you'll notice who stops calling. If you believe I'm not enough, you'll feel rejected even when you're loved. That's not the world rejecting you. That's your mindset creating your reality. Let me tell you a story. A lady once said to me, "Coach, every relationship I've had ends the same way." I asked her, "What do you believe about love?" She said, "I believe men always disappoint." And I smiled and said, "Then your belief is working perfectly. Because here's the truth: you don't attract what you want, you attract what you expect." Even Jesus said in Matthew 9:29, "According to your faith, let it be done to you." He didn't say according to your fear or according to your past. He said faith. That means your life mirrors what you deeply believe, not what you casually wish for. Sis, your mind is like a filter. If you walk through the world looking for proof that life is hard, you'll find it. But if you walk through it expecting goodness, you'll see blessings even in small things. Romans 12:2 says, "Be transformed by the renewing of your mind." So start renewing it with faith, not fear. The moment you stop needing proof that things will work out and start believing that God's hand is on your life, you'll start seeing miracles you didn't even ask for. So stop walking through the world looking for evidence of pain. Start walking expecting proof of God's favor, because what you focus on expands. Follow a ladies' network for more mindset, scripture, and soft life wisdom. Let's grow into faith-filled women who walk by vision, not by fear.